Thank you, thank you. You're too kind. Well, it's time to wrap up with an oldie but a goodie. It's one of my favorites, and it goes a little something like this. You know, they say every song has an inspiration, something that touches the deepest depths of the soul. Well, my inspiration for this song was a friend of mine. You see, one day he and I were just sitting around when he yawned and said, "I sound like Ricky Raindrops." At least that's what I thought he said. He actually said, "I sound like Luther Vandross." Naturally, I was puzzled. I immediately asked myself, who is Ricky Raindrops? I searched long and hard for the answer, and I found it. Oh yes, I found it. This is Ricky Raindrops. Ricky Raindrops, not Luther Vandross. 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 So much emotion, rain on the window panes, rain, rain, rain. That's right, this is Ricky Raindrops. You know, there are times in your life when you just want to let it all out. So people, let me hear you sing it one last time. Hit it, boys.